Hey guys, I just checked my mail and I actually received Ulta beauty box today. So since I'm on a filming spree right now, let's go ahead and film this unboxing. I have no idea what's in there. I didn't even honestly check this month. This is for March. Okay. Let me just take one product at a time and show you what I have. Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Gloss Balm. Ooh, okay, Glow Recipe, awesome. Then we have Yummy Skin Low Lighter by Danessa Myers. Are you serious? And the color Unbothered. Wow, this is pretty expensive. Why don't you take that for sure? Because so far, two like pretty pricey products. The Myrex one is $25. I mean, yeah, pretty pricey. And then we have Glow Recipe one is $22. Then we have the Skin Fix Barrier Plus Triple Lipid Collagen Eye Treatment. Ooh, very nice. And it costs $54 for 15 ml. Wow, this is 15 ml. So this, wow, already paid for the box and more. Okay, then we have a little something immediate supersize volume, the mascara. I actually like these little things. Sometimes I feel like the travel sizes ones work better than the full size ones. I don't know why. And then I usually toss it in my bag or my like makeup bag and just, you know, have it just in case. I do have eyelash extensions right now, and I just filmed the Ulta haul where I want to next time try these home eyelash extensions, or at least fill them in so I can last a little bit longer, because I've been filling them like 3 to 4 weeks, which is like super pricey, and I'm trying to figure out, can I do this by myself? Same thing with my nails. I've been getting them done for a while now, and I bought a few products off Amazon that I'll probably show you guys, and I'm gonna try it myself, like gel nails, which I haven't done ever by myself. I'm a bit scared, but I really want to try to save money and not spend as much on myself. All right, then we have the Versed Dew Point Moisturizing Gel Cream. Now this thing, let me check, it is 2 fluid ounces and it costs $14.99 for 60 ml. Yep, for this size. And finally we have the Believe in True Super Drops Niacinamide Golden Glow Serum. Let's see. Oh, what am I holding? I wanted to take that brochure. And it is $38 for 50 ml. Right here we have 10 ml. So you just divide 38 by 5. It's almost like $8 for this sample. I think this box always has like wonderful value. That's it for this video. I'll talk to you later. Bye.